Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. Then first you have to come on this website www.com. This is officially website, so you can download the driver. Now you can see this is search button, click on it and then enter your model number, your motherboard W480M Visions W and then hit enter. Then click on the product. Just click on this title of the model number. Then guys click on support. Select your operating system, Windows 10 and 11. So both operating system installations process same, so select any. And this is your driver. So guys, first download one by one, then I guide you how to install, okay, after that download. So this is audio, Realtek audio driver. Click to download. Chipset, so Intel serial driver, download this one and download. Slow down. And then guys, this is for also need Intel INF installer. You just click to download. This is download icon. When you click to download, it will start downloading here. Then this is LAN driver. You can see Intel LAN driver and just click to download. Then VGA driver, so Intel graphic driver, you can see this is size, and always try to latest driver. So same, you just click on the download. When you click to download, it will start downloading here. After that, you can see here. After that, just click on this folder. Then it complete, then show you how to install. So this is your driver, okay. So one by one, just extract first. So right click and show more, extract all, okay. And same locations. If you have two other locations, so you can browse and change it, otherwise you just click to extract. It is completed. So after complete, it will open, so just close it. Then LAN driver, so right click, show more, and click on extract all. Then same location, same close. Then chipset driver, extract all, same location. So one by one, extract all. Then last, Realtek audio. Okay, this is extracted. So this 5 data is extracted. So first open one, just select the right click, run as administrator. Then click on yes. Now this is extracting to your system. So you can see this is Intel SD graphic driver. So might be it will take some time to install, okay, because this is heavy file, heavy driver. So wait few seconds and will automatically close it. So means this is installed, and then close it. Again go to this folder. So this one completed, then this LAN driver, then LAN driver, open one by one, download, and just open and double click and then click on yes. Now you can see this is first extract. Real Ethernet control device. Then next. Now this is installing driver. And then okay, and then finish it. Then back. Then serial means chipset driver. So find out setup, just right click to run as administrator, then click on yes. Then finish next to install. Okay, this is INF update. So this is also for same for chipset. So just this is setup chipset, just right click to run as administrator, then click on yes. Then next, accept, installed. And then okay. Then last one, and this is pending, graphic card pending. So graphic card, just select right click and run as administrator. Now you can see this is installing. And it is closed, then done. So you can guys one by one install, find out setup. So this is setup exe, right click, then run as administrator, and then yes. Now you can see this is installing. Then next, and no, and finish. After you install the all driver, after that restart your system.